حضور حضرت محمد صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم کی راہ میں پگڑی پڑھتے.
What sort of turban the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to wear?
This present Arabic system of wearing something round on the head, I think was not in vogue at the time of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So there is not any hadith which I remember in which his pagdi has been described. But one thing is certain, that whenever he stood for the prayer, he always had his head covered. What sort of pagdi it was, it has not been mentioned in hadith.